The Samsung Galaxy Buds Core marks a surprising new move from Samsung. A budget true wireless earbuds priced at under $40 USD. Yet packed with features usually found in much more expensive models. With active noise cancellation ANC, Galaxy AI real-time translation, and up to 35 hours of battery life. These earbuds deliver an experience that goes far beyond their price tag. After a week of daily use, the Buds Core left me genuinely impressed. They are light, comfortable, and practical for everyday listening, whether for music, calls, or commuting in noisy environments. While they aren't perfect, the balance between cost, performance, and smart features makes them a serious contender in the low-cost wireless earbuds market. Compact and comfortable design. The Galaxy Buds Core come in a compact, pebble-shaped charging case, measuring 50 by 50 by 27.7 millimeters and weighing only 31.2 grams. It's small enough to fit easily in a pocket without adding bulk. The glossy finish gives it a sleek look, but it's also a magnet for fingerprints and scratches, something to keep in mind if you're not using a case. Each earbud weighs just 5.3 grams, lighter than the Galaxy Buds FE 5.6 grams. The in-ear design uses soft silicone wingtips to provide a snug and secure fit. Even after hours of use, around 3 to 4 hours of continuous listening, the earbuds remain comfortable without causing ear fatigue. Samsung includes 3 sizes of ear tips in the box, ensuring you can find the best fit. I tested the Buds Core in various scenarios working at a desk, walking outside, and doing light workouts. They stayed firmly in place for most activities, though during high-intensity exercises, like running or jumping, the earbuds occasionally needed minor adjustments. The earbuds also come with an IP54 rating, meaning they can withstand dust and light splashes, perfect for workouts or rainy commutes. Touch controls and smart operation. Control is handled through touch-sensitive panels on each earbud. A single tap plays or pauses music, a double tap skips to the next track, and a triple tap goes back. The touch response is accurate, though sometimes accidental touches may occur since there's no pressure sensitive mechanism like on Apple's AirPods Pro. Active noise cancellation that actually works. One of the most impressive aspects of the Buds Core is the inclusion of active noise cancellation ANC, a feature rarely seen in this price range. While it doesn't reach the level of Samsung's high-end Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, the ANC here performs admirably, reducing background noises such as traffic, air conditioning, or the hum of a cafe. It creates a noticeably quieter listening environment, ideal for work or study. There's also an ambient sound mode, which allows you to hear surrounding noises clearly without removing the earbuds. Handy for quick conversations or outdoor awareness. Clear voice calls with AI noise reduction. Each earbud features 3 microphones, 2 external, 1 internal paired with AI noise reduction algorithms. In phone calls or online meetings, voices sound clean and natural, even in noisy areas. This is an area where the Buds Core stand out from many budget competitors, offering surprisingly clear call quality, smart features and Galaxy ecosystem integration. The Buds Core aren't just about sound. They're built to work seamlessly with Samsung's Galaxy ecosystem. With Galaxy AI Interpreter, users can experience real-time language translation directly through the earbuds. When paired with compatible Galaxy phones, other ecosystem features include Auto Switch, automatically changing connection between Samsung devices, Find My Earbuds, and Bixby Voice Control. All customization happens via the Galaxy Wearable app, which allows you to fine-tune ANC levels, EQ presets, touch controls, and firmware updates. The interface is clean and intuitive. However, these smart features work best within Samsung's ecosystem. Users of other Android phones or iPhones will only have access to basic functions like playback and calling. Balanced sound for everyday listening. Powered by 6.5mm dynamic drivers, the Galaxy Buds Core deliver a balanced, warm, sound signature that suits most genres. The bass is moderate, deep enough for pop and hip-hop, but not overpowering. The mid-range shines, keeping vocals clear and natural, while the treble is smooth, though slightly rolled off at the top end, meaning high frequencies lack a bit of sparkle. Soundstage is average but decent, and when paired with Samsung's 360 audio, you get a subtle sense of spatial depth, a nice touch for immersive listening. Supported codecs include SBC and AAC, which are fine for casual listening. But there's no support for higher quality formats like LDAC or aptX, so audiophiles might find it limited. Battery life that lasts all week. Perhaps the biggest strength of the Galaxy Buds Core is battery endurance. Each earbud packs a 65 mAh cell, while the case holds 500 mAh, providing up to 35 hours of total playback with ANC off or around 20 hours with ANC on. In real-world use, about 3-4 hours of listening per day. That means you can go nearly a full week before needing to recharge. Charging via USB-C takes roughly 1.7 hours for the earbuds and 2 hours for the case. There's also fast charging, which gives several hours of playback from a short top-up. The only missing feature is wireless Qi charging, which Samsung understandably left out to keep the price low. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Core deliver far more than their $40 price would suggest. With a lightweight and comfortable design, effective ANC, solid call quality, integration with Galaxy AI, and outstanding battery life, they're an excellent choice for users seeking value without compromise. For Samsung users, they're almost a no-brainer. For everyone else, they're still a shockingly good deal that redefines what budget earbuds can do.